What's your new word? Say sock. Sock. Can you say it? Say sock. Sock. Good job. Sock. Say sock. Bethany, can you say sock? Sock. What do you... Powdered sugar on your mouth? Did you have a donut? Yeah? So I was able to wrap a total of one present before Addie woke up. And then in between when Addie woke up and Bethany woke up, which was like an hour, I wrapped another 3. So going pretty slow. I think I've wrapped now like 5 or so presents. I have quite a bit left, but at least I got a few done. I got the main, like most of the big ones done. And I feel like we got more presents for Bethany as far as toys than we did for Adeline. And I feel like I should get her like one more thing. Just so it's a little more evened out, because I know that she's gonna get upset if she can't open anything else. But we did get her more clothes. We got Adeline more clothes than we got Bethany. So I guess it kind of evens out. We'll see. My sourdough bread turned out amazing. I will share the recipe. I'll share the link to the recipe that I used in my description bar. It was so good. I have never made bread that good without a bread maker, and I've never actually made a sourdough bread before, so I am really pleased with the outcome of that, and I will definitely be making that again. So I feel like this is more how I should be vlogging instead of down here. The girls are watching Bluey. It's such a cute little cartoon. And Addie's supposed to be going down for a nap, but she really doesn't look like she's tired. She was really cranky, and I nursed her, and now she's good again. So we'll see how long that lasts. Bethany was undoing this. It's literally all over the place. So I might have to finish up wrapping later, but I really wanted to get Roberto's finished so that he doesn't see them. So yeah, just a lazy day at home today. We don't have many plans. Yeah, so can't believe Vlogmas is almost over. I have tomorrow to vlog, and that's it. And I've been looking for my green felt to make that little Christmas tree thing for Bethany, and I literally cannot find it anywhere. She grabbed it and I put it somewhere, and I don't remember where I stuck it. That happens to me all the time. It's crazy. You'd think I would learn by now, but I haven't. I put it in some place safe, or I just stick it somewhere now and I just don't remember. So hopefully I can find that. I was hoping to include that in Vlogmas because I think it's a really cute, fun activity to do. Do you want to take that off? Do you want to take it off? She has her sleep sack on and she's struggling to stand up. Okay, well, I'll talk to you guys later. We're gonna see if we can take, maybe, possibly, I'm not promising anything. We might try to take the girls to see Santa tonight, but I don't even know if they're still doing it. I forgot to plan that in my calendar, so we have yet to take them. Yet last year we didn't take Bethany because of COVID, and I had just had Addie too, so we'll see. I would like to take them to get their photos done because I think that would be really fun. First year we did it with Bethany. She cried and cried and cried and cried and cried more. And yeah, actually, I just realized I don't think I introduced Vlogmas this morning, but welcome to day, I think today's day 23 or 20, it should be day 24, I think it's day 24. So anyways, that's what we got going on today. Not much, not a whole lot, but it's fun. It's fun to have chill days sometimes. All right, I've made some really big headway wrapping gifts, regardless of the girls being awake. My hair looks such a mess, but this is the mess of my laundry room currently, or what do you call this? Mudroom, entryway, whatever. So these are some gifts I've wrapped, some that I have not wrapped yet. But we are gonna take the girls to take pictures with Santa. Hopefully they're still open, but I'm gonna try to curl Bethany's hair for like the first time. I've done it once before, but they didn't stay, so I'm considering this to be my first time. Oh my gosh, my plant is dying because I haven't watered it. It looks super sad. Look at my little plant. He looks so sad. I've remembered to water all the other ones and he's so wilted. This is gonna be Bethany's first haircut. I have never cut her hair and she's 2 years and 4 months old. It is getting a little bit longer. Addie, get out of the trash. No. It's getting a little bit longer in the back, and then there's this part where it's longer kind of on the sides, like off to the side of the middle in the back, and so it looks a little stringy. And her bangs, if you can see, they're shorter in the front, and it looks pretty. Like it looks like it has a little bit of a, like it was cut this way. I just want to even out the bottom just a little bit. Okay, let's see. Trim your hair.
Hello. Hello.
You gonna wash your hands off? You got yogurt or something in your hair. Did you get yogurt in your hair, little honey? Can you feed Addie something, babe? Like a little fruit puff or something? She hasn't been eating much today. Let me go get some hair clips.
Just take it aside. No, the whole thing. It's filming, come on.
Babe, get me something to drink. That tastes really bad. Tastes like super bitter. Oh, it's disgusting. Have you tried it?
Yes.
You want more? A bear. I'm messing with my part. I used to have a side part for the longest time. I think it was like over 10 years. And I'm kind of missing it lately. I don't know. My hair always has more volume to the side. We were able to get the girls' photos with Santa, and we ended up hopping in the photos too, and it was so cute. It was a lot of fun. I'm gonna close up the vlog here. We got some pizza. We're gonna wrap some gifts tonight, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the last day of Vlogmas. We're gonna make it a fun day, and I thank everybody for watching all of these. My goodness, like, the input has been really great, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.